Hi and welcome to the next coding along in the Frontend series. My name is Mike de Rijk and I'm a teacher at Erasmus Hogeschool Brussels. Again, to reiterate what I said in the Lego app, which is the first application we're going to make, this is not meant to be an all-inclusive learning path for React. This is an addendum to the material that I provide in the lessons at the college, of course, at Erasmus Hogeschool Brussels. But again, I'll try to be as inclusive as possible, try to make sure that everything I say, all the info is in these videos as well. You might be missing some context though onto why we're doing these exercises. So we're gonna make an interactive story path. This is an exercise that somebody asked for me, one of my colleagues, because they want to test with some material of theirs to let a student watch one clip and then decide which clip is the next logical step, and they have to give an argument as to why that choice is the best choice. So again, we have some goals here. We're going to be awesome, we're going to be amazing, and we're going to learn something. So if you like any of these three, this is the coding along for you. And of course, for the theory, we have just the same. You might expect which ones are components, etc. And then we have the first scenario, which we will give our email. We will give our name, our full name. We have our first clip, if we watch that, and what is the logical second clip? So choice A is the part 1 or choice B is the part 2. Well, I know it's part 1, because after the intro, we consume video part 1. That's my answer. If I send it, I get a very small feedback because this is my answer by my details, and choice A is correct. Yay! The clip follows. Choice B is incorrect. Okay. And if I reset the exercise, I'm going to go to scenario 2. These are the same, but again, it's different data. Good. This is what we're going to be making. What are we going to learn? We are going to be learning to work with hooks, with state. Use state, use ref, use effects for cool stuff. We're going to be iterating on lists, for example, with the map function, and dynamically loading in one component or another component using ternary statements or if statements. And we're also going to be using events. So events in the same component and moving events through components. So let's say that 3 levels deep, that component is throwing an event that needs to be caught by the top level component. Well, we're going to pass it along through props so it can be used all the way down and up the application. So I hope you enjoy the session, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like what you see, just share it with other people so more of the material can get out. If you want to see the source code, it can be found in the description of the YouTube videos. I would say have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.